Are y'all in the mood for fall? Because I know I am. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing Neesha 208 from Outre. And the details about this wig is that she is a synthetic hair unit. She's 26 inches long and she has a YAKI PERM texture. And y'all, look at these pretty curls that she has. And I got her in the color DRFF2 butterscotch, and I just love the way that this blonde is hitting. And she comes with ear-to-ear lace with a lace Swiss part. And right here I am just about to style her and kind of customize her a little bit just to see how she turns out. And y'all just stay tuned and watch how I bring Miss Neesha 208 to life. And this wig is also heat safe up to 400 degrees with natural texture and value, which y'all can see. And she also comes with HD transparent lace. So this is a very natural wig, but it's not heavy at all. So I would say this is very fall friendly. And one thing I noticed when I was styling this wig, it does have minimal shading and minimal tangling, because you know how most wigs are like most silky texture wigs, and especially when they are blonde color or any other colors, they tend to tangle and shed a lot. But this wig did not do that at all. But if you are going to wear her out, I would just keep a paddle brush handy. y'all. And if you are new here, my name is August Nicole, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing Neesha 208. And yes, I know she's an oldie, but I wanted to go ahead and get her out the bag because I've been having her for like a while. So I was like, it's fall, it's just the right type of season to review Neesha 208. And